Hello everyone, we are going to study our book that is Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. So today we are going to study chapter number 12 and that is past simple tense. हम उस समय की बात कर रहे हैं जो समय बीत गया है. Past means बीता हुआ कल. Well, the chapter says that the past simple tense tells us about the things that have already happened. जो समय या दो चीजें हो चुकी हैं उनको हम कहते हैं past simple tense. We add d or ed to the base form of the regular verbs to change them into the past tense. For example, if I say play, अगर मैं play को past tense में convert करूंगी तो ये बन जाएगा PLAYED, यानी कि हम d और ed ज्यादातर रेगुलर वर्ब्स को ऐड करके उनको पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. देन लेट्स रीड द सेंटेंसेस व्हिच आर गिवन बिलो. वी वेंट टू द जू yesterday. The lion roared loudly. The crocodile swallowed a big fish. The elephant trumpeted loudly. We enjoyed the visit. Now in this sentence you can see the subject is written over here and then we are using the past tense of the verb. So all these are assertive sentences and the structure formed is subject plus past tense of the verb. So hence I have made you clear about the assertive sentences, how we use the past tense. Let's now move to the negative sentences, how we are using the past tense form of the verb in the negative sentences. In negative sentences we use did not. Negative मतलब जिसमें हम ना बोले तो did not use किया जाएगा and the base form of the verb will be used. For example, first one is I did not write a letter. जब हम assertive sentences बोलते हैं तो हम use करते हैं past form of the verb. Whereas when we are using negative sentences in past tense we use the first form of the verb जिसको हम base form भी कहते हैं. यहाँ wrote ना लिख के हमने लिखा है write और उसकी जगह हमने क्या यूज किया है? We have used did not. I did not write a letter. Similarly in the second sentence, Ravi did not go to Delhi yesterday. Then the third one is he did not receive your letter. Fourth one is they did not help the injured. So what is the structure formed for negative sentences? The structure is subject plus did not is written before the verb and we use the base form of the verb. Then we come to the interrogative or the question form. In questions we use or we write did in the beginning. हम did लगते हैं beginning में यानी कि subject से भी पहले and use the base form of the verb. और again हम क्या use करेंगे? base form of the verb. यानी कि जब भी हम did को use कर रहे हैं हम base form of verb use कर रहे हैं ना कि past tense. तो sentence क्या बनेगा question की form में? Did the thieves run away and a question mark at the end. The second one will be did she go to the Rajasthan and a question mark. Did you not learn the lesson? And the fourth one, did they not take food? So what is the structure form? Did plus subject plus base form of verb, and when I say not, did the subject and not and the base form of the verb. So I hope I have made myself very clear about the assertive sentence. In assertive we use subject plus past tense of the verb, whereas in negative sentence we are using the subject, did not and the base form of the verb. Similarly in question we are using did and subject and the base form of the verb. Now let's move to the next page. On the next page we have the first question, that is a question. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. The words are given over here. You have to write the past form. She dashed very hard for her exam and the verb is work, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे WORKED, worked. Then the next is the teacher dash homework to the students and the teacher gave. Third one, the frog dash out of the pond, HOPPED, hopped. The tadpole soon dash a frog became. Fifth one, the PM dash the bill. Now what did the PM dash the bell? What will be the answer over here? Rang. The PM rang the bell. Sixth one, we dashed to the zoo last Sunday. We travelled. TRAVELLED. I dash a cake for the guests. Bake, and it will get changed into, what is the sentence? Past tense is baked. Eighth one, the children dash more pocket money. Demand, we will write here demanded. DEMANDED, demanded. Ninth, she dashed to the market yesterday. Go, what is the past tense? Went, WENT, went. 10 sentences. We dashed a storybook last night. Read. Again, past tense में भी READ read आता है, but we pronounce it as read. 11th one is they dash football in the evening, and the word given over here is play. इसका past tense होगा PLAYED, played. Then the 12th one, I dash a glass of milk in the morning. Drink का past tense DRANK, drank. 13th, he dashed a picture of a tree. Draw. What is the past tense of draw? DREW, drew. He drew a picture of a tree. 14th one, my mother dashed a delicious cake. Bake का मैंने अभी आपको पहले भी बताया था, BAKED, baked. The last one, the baby dash all night, and the verb is CRY, cry. Cry का past tense CRIED, cried. The baby cried all night. And with this, we have completed the A question. Let's now move to the B question. The B question says, change the following sentences to their negative and interrogative form. तो पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, it rained heavily in the night. हमें सबसे पहले याद रखना है, नेगेटिव के लिए हम यूज करेंगे did not, राइट. इंटेरोगेटिव में भी हम यूज करेंगे did, लेकिन आपको याद रखना है कि इंटेरोगेटिव में did आता है सब्जेक्ट से पहले और did not कहाँ आएगा? वर्ब से पहले. It rained heavily in the night, तो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बन जाएगा it did not, और क्या यूज करेंगे हम? बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, तो यहां रेन्ड की जगह लिखेंगे हम इट डिड नॉट, RAIN, रेन. इट डिड नॉट रेन हेविली एट और इन दी नाइट. क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में हम बिगिन करेंगे डिड से, क्योंकि सवाल पूछा जा रहा है. दे आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. डिड इट रेन हेविली इन द नाइट, एंड अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Very important to put a question mark in the end. So the negative sentence for second question is the naughty boys were not punished. इस सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज हुआ है, इसलिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? द नॉटी बॉयज वर नॉट पनिश्ड। क्वेश्चन फॉर्म क्या होगी इसकी? वर द नॉटी बॉयज punished and a question mark। नेक्स्ट पेज भी इसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, चलिए जल्दी से उन्हें करते हैं। द रेनबो वैनिश्ड सून, तो ये कैसे होगा? इसको हम लिखेंगे द रेनबो डिड नॉट vanish soon and a full stop। और क्वेश्चन कैसे बिगिन होगा? Did the rainbow vanish soon? Next, the jackals howled loudly in the woods। तो इसका सेंटेंस बनेगा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। द जैकल्स डिड नॉट, हाउल्ड का बन जाएगा हाउल, HOWL, हाउल लाउडली इन द woods। And what will be the question form for this? We'll begin with did the jackals howl loudly in the woods? And a question mark. Last is we enjoyed a lot at the beach। The negative sentence for the above sentence is we did not enjoy a lot at a beach, full stop, and the question will be did we enjoy a lot at the beach? Question mark in the end. I hope you have understood the chapter now. I made myself very clear. I hope you have understood what's the difference between the assertive, negative and a question sentence in a past simple tense. Read the chapter, go through the exercise carefully. I hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have understood, cleared your doubts carefully, and stay tuned for our next video. We'll be coming soon. Thank you for watching the video.